on location and observed a red pickup truck wedged underneath the trailer of a tractor trailer that was jackknifed all the way across the road on 33. Both vehicles were traveling eastbound when the tractor trailer lost control on the slippery roads and jackknifed across the road. The pickup truck was directly behind the tractor trailer and was unable to stop in time and drove underneath the trailer, getting wedged underneath. Both drivers denied any injury. There was one sign off to Mercy EMS.